The two copper wire in the way of solder welding together. If only the electric iron and solder wire. Then even if the solder wire quickly melted, it cannot melt with copper wire. But if you add a piece of rosin, the effect will not be the same immediately. In the rosin heat into a liquid at the same time, the tin wire also quickly and pain bonded together. Solder paste is a kind of use of hot melting solder. A way of welding copper, steel, copper alloy, etc. The key is the melting of wire and metal. But tin and hot melting. It is easy to air oxidation reaction. The formation of dense oxide film, which will affect it and metal welding. Reduce its own electrical conductivity. Coupled with the low melting point of tin. Flow new is not good. In small and compact space, it is difficult to control the shape of tin beads. Welding is very difficult. So as a flux rosin is used, compared with solder wire, rosin melting point is lower, and specific gravity, viscosity, surface tension are smaller than solder. So in welding, flux rosin will first melt, and then flow immersion, covering the surface of solder, blocking air and tin wire contact. Oxidation reaction cannot occur. Solder is easier to be welded together with metal, and in the rosin-wrapped liquid tin, surface tension becomes smaller. Its control difficulty will be reduced. Thus the rosin added to the solder paste process has become a commonly used welding aid means.